The Slerf meme coin on Solana has an incredible roller coaster story. It came up, it came down, it crashed down, it burned into flames because the developer burned actually the tokens, the liquidity pool tokens and the tokens that were allocated for the airdrop. So nothing could be airdropped, the price crashed, but now it's recovering again. Why is that? Let's have a look at the data most people are not considering. Let's have a look at the on-chain data. Let's have a look at the number of first-time buyers versus recurring buyers. And let's have a look at what's actually triggering this recent rally. So I'm not going to bore you with the details on the website, with the marketing jazz, etc. This is not how we can get alpha here. But it is interesting to see how many Solana tokens had been contributed. All of those people have lost their money. But have a look at this. This is the Twitter by the developer of Slerf. Oh, F word. Guys, I effed up. I burned the liquidity pool and the tokens that were set aside for the airdrop. Mint authority is already revoked, so I cannot mint them. There's nothing I can do to fix this. I am so effing sorry. I'm lost for words, blah, blah, blah. So it goes on, a lot of drama. But then other people jumped in and tried to support the developer. So the project wasn't killed directly. There was still more posting going on, more support going on. And so it looks like a very boring chart on CoinMarketCap because the token had been listed pretty late. It's an exceptional chart on DEX Screener. You have to be early. The price after launch increased by more than 2000%, then crashed down by 70%. Now is very close to all-time highs again. The market cap is at 600 million already. Now this is already relatively large for a meme coin, but there is potential here. It's especially interesting once we look at the on-chain data. Let's first compare this to other meme coins on Solana right now. This is the top traded coins in the last 24 hours on Solana. Slerf has a volume of 2.8 billion. Book of Meme has only 1/9 of that maybe. Dog with Head has maybe 1/30 of this. And this is only one of the liquidity pools, right? There's also several liquidity pools of Slerf on Orca and on Radium. So Slerf is absolutely owning the Solana chain right now. And so obviously the centralized exchanges want to get a piece of that pie as well. But more on that later. This is the same table, but this time ordered by the liquidity. And again, Slerf is already 3 times the size of Book of Meme. It's at number 1. And all of that happens while this happens here in crypto. This is today the returns for the top 100 cryptocurrencies. This is super impressive. Slerf's performance is absolutely decoupled from the rest of crypto. Now let's have a look at that on-chain data that I was promising. Let's have a look at the number of first-time traders versus recurring traders. Who is actually driving this rally? Why is the price suddenly shooting up so much? Have a look at the following chart. This shows us the number of first-time traders versus recurring traders for every single hour since launch. And in the first 3 hours, the number of first-time traders massively exceeded the number of recurring traders. Then the number of recurring traders exceeded. This is not good, right? You want to see more first-time traders. But again, this is a very new chart, just updated 10 minutes ago. And we do not see a lot of traders here. So the price here is going up not because so many people are jumping in. This is actually a very calm time in crypto right now, as in the time of the day as I'm recording this. This is not happening anymore on the Solana chain. I believe all of that buying pressure comes from the centralized exchanges that want to become part of this party. Most of trading volume happens of course on Radium, but there is also Gate.io and HTX and BitGet. But this is not a lot of trading. I believe the secondary rally is driven by the centralized exchanges, and of course they don't want to buy all those tokens for market making to not keep this price up. I believe what's happening here is that simply the Binances of this world get on this as well, market this then on their platform, and then the price might rally a bit further, at least temporarily. So I will keep a very close eye on Slerf. I will make updates, so if you want to see those updates, feel free to subscribe. I'll also have a look out for the next Slerf. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a like. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.